Hey guys, it's Jeremy at Porter Freight Funding.
And I'm Addison. I'm the business development coordinator over at Porter Freight. So Jeremy, I work in the sales department over at Porter Freight, as you know, and there we get calls every single day with truckers coming in asking questions. And one that we hear every single day is, how do we find a good dispatcher?
That's actually a very great question, because when you're looking at starting your business and running it efficiently and effectively, bringing on a dispatcher is a big choice for you, right? So I also get the question a lot when I'm onboarding new carriers, and one of the things you want to look for is you want to look for somebody that you can trust, okay? So have those conversations with people that you know that are in the industry, right? Look at other drivers. Talk to them when you're fueling or when you're delivering your load, because if they're using somebody that they trust, then that's a great referral for you. Some of the things that they're going to be doing for you are so important to grow your business. And that's why trust comes in, and also communication, because this is an extension of your business. They're going to be on the front line for you, right? So they're negotiating your rates. They're trying to get you a higher rate on each load. They know what it costs for you to be profitable in your business. And so they're going to do their best to get out there and get you those loads that are going to benefit you.
That makes sense. So someone you trust, like a trusted partner there, because that's part of your business.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. They're working for you. They're essentially part of your office staff at that point. They're doing the credit authorizations for you. They're making sure that the company that they booked the load for you on is going to pay you in the end, right?
That's pretty important.
So important. So,
you definitely want to get paid.
Yeah, you do not want to be hauling freight for free.
No free freight.
Not in today's economy.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to follow us for more information. Visit our website or any of our social media.